Recipe, balance bowl. Mix a hearty helping of safety, your favorite comfort food. Add a dash of adventure, an exotic spice or ingredient you've never tried before. Garnish with life lessons and enjoy. It's the perfect recipe to fuel your life journey. Every journey begins with the first step. And that first step is the choice you make to step outside your comfort zone, to take a risk, to try something new, to taste the unknown. Your comfort food, your safe haven, it's always there. It's your foundation, your rock, your safety net. It's a reminder of home and familiarity. It brings warmth and comfort to your soul, fueling your inner strength. Then comes the spice of adventure, the exotic ingredient you've never tried before. It's the thrill of the unfamiliar, the excitement of the new. It adds flavor to your life, making it more vibrant, more colorful. It challenges your taste buds, pushing you to expand your horizons. Life lessons are the garnish. They are the finishing touches that complete the dish. They add depth and complexity, making the experience more meaningful. They are the lessons learned from past mistakes, the wisdom gained from experience. Put all these ingredients together and you have yourself a balanced bowl. It's a delicious mix of safety, adventure, and life lessons. It's the dish that fuels your journey, that keeps you going, that nourishes your soul. So dig in, savor every bite, every moment, every lesson. Let the balanced bowl fuel your journey, your adventure, your life. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about the experiences, the lessons, the memories. So make it count, make it delicious.